Hello and welcome to Vibe Infotech Clinic. Today we'll be looking at how to use the SBA software for junior high schools. So once your file is open, you will see a login screen. So you just click on login and enter the password and then the username. Then the first thing you will do is to go to the main menu, and then you have all the buttons that are here in the system. So you have the home button that will get you to this page, and you go to menu. Then we have school data and instruction. This should be the first thing you should do if you open this software. So you go to school data and instruction. Over here, you are going to add informations to the system, and then you will read the instructions over here. These instructions will guide you as to how to use the system. So you input first you add your head teacher signature to the system. So you just locate where the signatures are. You might have captured it, so you just go there and then you choose one. Now your system will be updated. This signature will appear on the report sheet for the students. So you enter the school name, the academic year. Over here, do not use the / use the hyphen, or you put space if you want to write 2 years. Then the rest you fill them as you are seeing here. So the number of times school open, for the number of row, it is automatic. You put in the class teacher and then you type in the various subject teachers. Then when you come down, you choose the number of subjects you are doing. So this is going to be used when calculating whether the student is to be repeated or not. Then you enter the district, region, and then the circuit. Then the instructions here, you read all instructions and you are good to go. So we'll go back to the menu. After reading the instruction, you will know what to do. Then you go to register students. Here you enter the names of the students you have. You register your student. So that's what you are going to do. Enter the name of the student and then the conduct attitude from the drop down list. So there's a drop down list you choose from, whatever you want to do. That's what you're going to do. You choose. There's a space where you can actually go and type in all of these things yourself. So once you are done with this, go back to the menu. Then we have the subjects. So every subject you enter the scores, exam score and class scores. Once you are done, you go to the next one and do the same thing over there. You do the same thing there. When you are done, you go back. So you do all that for all the subjects. And then when you are done, you want to see how your students perform. So you can go to the analysis sheet. This is the analysis for the various subjects, and then that is it. It's just all of this. Then you can export it as PDF. Now I'll be showing you how it will look like. So it will be exported to your desktop. A folder will be created on your desktop, and this will be exported as PDF in that folder. So you just have to go and have a look at it. So go back to the menu. Then you can comment over here, which you write if you want to add something, you add to the attitude, conduct, and then the interest. Then the report. Reports. So you select your student ID, and then the report card of that student will pop up for you. So you can see that the signature has been added as it is, and all of these things are showing everything is working perfectly. The overall position and all that, everything is working perfectly. So once you select the student ID, that is that. Then you can either print directly if you're connected to a printer, or you export as PDF. So if you want to export, once you select the student ID, once the exporting is done, the system will give you information notification. So it's taking some time to do that. I'll just wait for that to happen. So the report sheet generated and saved for the student. So that is it. And you go okay. If you go to the next one, the next student, let's say first student, and I export. It is done. If you are connected to a printer, you just click print, and then the sheet will print for you. Now all of these things, they are going to be saved on the desktop for you. So let me go back to the menu. Then let's see the master sheet. So you have the student master sheet over here. You can sort by ID or you sort by position. You can also export it as PDF. Then you go back to the menu. Then we have aggregate. Aggregate over here. You can export it as PDF as well to be saved on the desktop for you. You can go back to the menu. Let's go back to menu. Then you can export the aggregates from here as well. Then SBA forms. This one you will not see them. All you have to do is to export the SBA form. Once you have entered everything correctly, then you just go ahead to export the SBA forms. Like that. So it will be exported on the desktop. So let me go back to the desktop and see where it is. So you have the report sheet that will contain all the reports that are being generated. So you have John Cena's report sheet. So the name will be there for you. Keep open. Let's go to the SBA. So this folder was open. Then the other items you exported will be here. So the SBA forms, the analysis, master sheet, and then the aggregate, everything will be here. So if you open it, you are going to see all of them there. So let me go ahead. Okay. All right. So this is the report sheet. This is how it looks like once you export it. So that is it. Let me open the SBA forms and then the analysis as well. So these are the SBA forms for all the subjects. They'll come up, then you print the ones you want, like that. The master sheet as well. It will come. This is how it will look like. Let's go to the aggregate sheet as well. This is how it also look like once you export it. So that is it. Let's go back to our software. So that is it. If you want to still watch this tutorial, it's on my YouTube channel. Once you click here, it will take you there. Then if you want to reset your password, you click and reset the password for the system. Now if you want to visit my website, it's also here. You can just go ahead to do that. So that is how the system works. That's very simple to use. All you have to do is to read the instruction, then the system will do all the other calculations for you as well. So that is it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in another video. Bye bye.